Krisp not syncing your settings? Yeah, that's really annoying, especially when your preferences don't update across devices. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Krisp needs a working connection to sync your settings properly. Next, log out of your Krisp account and log back in. Yeah, this refreshes your account data and can fix syncing issues. Now, restart the Krisp app. This helps clear temporary glitches that might be blocking sync. Okay, make sure you're logged into the same account on all your devices. Different accounts won't sync settings properly. Next, check for updates and make sure Krisp is updated everywhere. Yeah, older versions can cause syncing problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. It can sometimes block the sync process. Also, check your firewall or antivirus settings. They might be preventing Krisp from connecting properly. If it's still not working, reinstall Krisp. Yeah, this resets everything and fixes deeper issues. And finally, check if Krisp servers are down. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not syncing settings. One of these steps should get everything updated across your devices again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Krisp not